In today's video, we'll quickly fix a common problem, an Atomberg ceiling fan remote that's not responding. Most of the time, the solution is simple and doesn't require replacing the fan. When your Atomberg fan remote stops working, start with the basics. The most common cause is dead AAA batteries. Remove the old batteries and insert fresh ones, making sure the positive and negative ends match the markings inside the compartment. While you're there, check for corrosion or loose contacts that could block power flow. Next, inspect the infrared sensor at the top of the remote. If it's loose, the remote won't communicate properly with the fan. This may require soldering, but only attempt that if you're comfortable with electronics. Keep in mind, Atomberg fans use universal IR remotes, so there's no pairing process required. If batteries don't fix it, try a remote reset. Turn the fan off, then press and hold the LED button on the remote for a few seconds until the fan starts spinning. This confirms a successful reset. For smart Atomberg fans, open the Atomberg Home app, remove the fan, restart the app, and add the fan again. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as 5 GHz is not supported. Also check installation. Atomberg fans use BLDC motors, so any traditional AC regulator must be bypassed. If the remote still fails, especially if the lights blink erratically, it's time to contact Atomberg support. Keep your fan's model number ready to get the correct replacement remote.